Cleaning your office after a long day of work can be a tiring, frustrating, stressful, and pretty risky thing to do. So instead of going through all that trouble, why not let the professional cleaners at SanServe Janitorial handle it for you? At SanServe Janitorial, we take pride in taking your cleaning headaches away. Our specialty lies in providing detailed cleaning solutions to all types of organizations. As a proven cleaning company with decades of experience, our team of professional cleaners can have your office looking tidy, organized, and squeaky clean in no time. Unlike other cleaning companies, we only use state-of-the-art cleaning tools and products. Not only are we able to be flexible around your schedule, our team of janitors can work within your needs as early or as late as you require. So whether you need floor care, construction cleaning, or scheduled janitorial services, we can help. Call 800-274-8464 or visit SanServeJanitorial.com for more information.